In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to active zoom option in Microsoft PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have the zoom tools available right on your ribbon, so you can create dynamic, non-linear presentations with slide zoom, section zoom, and summary zoom. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Any presentation will do, you just need the app open so we can change the settings. Next, go to the app's options. The quickest way is to open the File menu and choose Options. This opens the PowerPoint options window, where you can customize how the program looks and behaves. In the Options window, select Customize ribbon on the left. This is where you control which commands appear across the tabs at the top of PowerPoint. On the left side of this screen, you'll see a list of commands to choose from. It often defaults to popular commands, which hides many of the tools we need. Click the drop-down above that list to change what you're viewing. From the drop-down, select All Tabs. This view shows the full set of built-in tabs and their groups, making it easier to find the zoom tools exactly where they live. Now scroll through the list until you find zoom tools. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, zoom usually appears under the Insert tab as a group or command labeled zoom. If you see Insert, expand it to reveal the zoom option. Click zoom in the left list to highlight it. This selects the zoom command you plan to add. Before you add it, look at the list on the right. That's your current ribbon. Click the tab or group where you want zoom to appear, such as the Insert tab. If the Add button is grayed out, it's usually because no destination on the right side is selected. Once a destination is highlighted, click Add. You should now see zoom appear in the right-hand list under the tab or group you chose. Finally, click OK to apply your changes and close the options window. Back in PowerPoint, go to the tab where you placed zoom, typically Insert, and you'll see the zoom command ready to use. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see Zoom in the list, make sure your Office is updated. Zoom is available in newer versions like Microsoft 365 and PowerPoint 2019 or later. If you want to reposition Zoom later, you can return to Customize Ribbon and move it up or down, or place it in a custom group for easier access. That's it. You've successfully activated the Zoom option in Microsoft PowerPoint. Enjoy building interactive, engaging presentations with a smooth, modern navigation flow.